Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make quinoa muffins. These delightful treats are a fantastic way to enjoy a wholesome breakfast or a satisfying snack. They are packed with the goodness of quinoa, offering a nutritious boost to your day. We will cover everything from essential ingredients to baking tips, ensuring your muffins turn out perfectly every time. Get ready to create some delicious and healthy baked goods. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need 1 cup of cooked quinoa, which forms the nutritious heart of our muffins. For the dry components, have 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda ready. For the wet, prepare 1/2 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of maple syrup or honey, 1/4 cup of oil, and 1 large egg. These simple items combine for delicious results. Now let's get to mixing. In 1 large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, flour, baking powder, baking soda, and any spices. In a separate bowl, combine the wet ingredients, milk, maple syrup, oil, and egg. Pour the wet mixture into the dry, adding the cooked quinoa and stir until just combined. Do not overmix. Fill muffin liners about 2/3 full. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 20 minutes, or until golden brown. Once your delicious quinoa muffins are baked, consider customizing them. You can easily add 1/2 cup of fresh blueberries, raspberries, or even chocolate chips to the batter before baking. For extra crunch and protein, try incorporating 1/4 cup of chopped walnuts or pecans. To store, allow them to cool completely, then place them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 4 days. For longer storage, freeze them for up to 3 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.